Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve LeetCode problem 653. So here we have given one binary tree. In that uh, we have root like values, first of all root, then left child, right child, and we have also given one target number, and we have to find it out that is there any pair, so that we can, if we add that pair and if the sum is equal to target value, then we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false. So first of all, like, we can move from the root to left, right, then from we will do the same thing. We have three things here: pre-order, in order, or post order. So we can use any technique to trace this tree. So now here we have to do one more operation. We have to find it out, the pair. So first solution is that we can store all the values in a list. After that we can uh, do this thing using approach, like we can create two for loop. In that we can add the value, and if the value is equal to sum, then it will return true. But the thing is that the range of our elements is from 1 to 10 to the power 4. So if we do that thing, then the time complexity will be of n squared, so it is 10 to the power 8, so it will not work there. For that we have one better solution. We can use one dictionary here. So for 5, we will add this value in our dictionary. Now for 3, if there is, our target is, let's assume our target is 9. So for 3, if we got 9 minus 3, 6. If we got 6 in our dictionary, in that scenario we will return true. Now for 2, similarly for 2, similarly for 4, 6, 7. So like that we can do these things. So now let's try to solve this problem. First of all, we have to create a variable, dictionary variable, to store the values. Self here we have self dot data is equal to this thing. Now we have to traverse this array. So if root is there, then we have some options here. The first option is, if first of all we have to know that if root is exist, then we have to get the value from our root dot value. Okay, and here now we have one option. If k minus our value, if k minus value in self dot data, then we will simply return it here true, because we got that value here. So return return true. In the else condition, or we can simply write here, in the else condition, first of all we have to do one thing, that the self dot data of value is equal to true. Now this values exist in our dictionary. The meaning of this line is this. After that we have to return two things here. We have to move to our left child and to right child. So for that we can use this function self dot find target. There we have first of all root dot left. Also we have our value of k, or self dot root dot right of self dot right. Here we did one very big mistake. We have to use function here. So in that self dot right and k. And if our root is, if it is like not, if it is null, in that scenario we have to return false here. Now let's try to run this code. So listen, no, okay, here root dot right. Now try to run this code. Yeah, it is running perfectly fine. Now let's submit it. And it succeed, actually, you can see here. So like that, we can solve this problem using hash map. First of all, we have to, we can traverse to our array using any method pre-order in order to post order. In that, we have to save our values in a dictionary, so that for the second value we can fetch the data in often time complexity, if the values exist there or not. So like that, this we can solve this problem in often time complexity. Thank you for watching this video. If you got any problem in this video, then you can comment below your problem. And also, if you want to get the solution of some other problem, then also you can comment that problem name in the comment section. Thank you.